Danger. Reality ahead.
I get asked a lot about the handwriting samples I've been showing here, whether some of them are print or cursive, or what are they exactly. This ties directly into what we need to talk about. That handwriting styles don't fall neatly into two little boxes. How many kinds of handwriting are there? Ask almost anyone in North America, and you will probably hear the same answer. 2. First comes printing, with every letter standing alone. Then comes cursive, the supposedly grown-up fluent hand, in which nearly everything joins. Theoretically everything, but of course the pen is lifted between words, and of course most cursives that we learn in school no longer join all or even most of the capitals. Many of them do not even join any of the capitals, but students are still taught that this is the writing that joins everything. Here are 3 handwriting models, which will be writing exactly the same passage in today's video. The first is Playwrite Canada, a fully joined conventional cursive based on handwriting textbook models used in various parts of North America. The second is Getty-Dubay Joined Standard, a published handwriting textbook model which joins moderately. The third is Getty-Dubay Joined Beginning, the small introductory set of joins taught in the Getty-Dubay program when students first begin connecting letters. Womp womp. See for yourself. Our fastest sample is the one that joins the least. Getty-Dubay Joined Beginning. Finishes the passage in 77.23 seconds. Our runner-up is Getty-Dubay Joined Standard, finishing the passage in 80.23 seconds. And coming in last is Playwrite Canada, the completely joined cursive, finishing in 80.38 seconds. Small differences across a 37-word sample, but those differences would add up. What if we were writing 10 times as many words as we might on an essay exam? Then, instead of a few seconds difference, we would have 10 times as large a difference. What if we were taking notes intensively, relying on the fact that has been found by research to be discussed elsewhere, that taking notes by hand helps you remember better what you write than typing those notes would do. If we took notes on a class by hand or notes on a meeting by hand, we might easily write thousands of words with correspondingly long differences in the time for completion. Less joining tested faster. That sounds impossible, but only until you watch where the pen actually travels. A pen lift is not necessarily wasted time. Sometimes air travel for our pens, lifting the pen as it continues to move, allows it to move directly to the beginning of the next letter. Anything but a short, straight line may require the pen to swing outward, around, to backtrack, to form an extra loop, or to approach the next letter from some awkward direction before that letter can even begin. It is rather like insisting that a runner or dancer must keep both feet firmly on the ground at all times. Continuous contact may look smoothly uninterrupted, but that does not make it the quickest or most elegant way forward. Any more than feeling that air travel couldn't happen in writing or couldn't work would make that so. How would it be if people who thought that writing which feels fast must be fast tried to apply that logic to other areas of their lives? How would it be if a cop pulled you over for speeding and you said, "But officer, I don't feel I was going fast. I don't care what a speedometer says or what your radar says." Still, the moral is not simply join less and write faster. That would be another hasty conclusion. The real question is not just how often a handwriting style joins its letters. It is, which joins does it form and where? Some joins genuinely save time. They carry the pen naturally forward into the next letter. Others cost time. They require detours, loops, reversals, or backtracking that a direct pen lift would avoid. Strategic joining means keeping the connections that earn their place and leaving out the ones that do not. That is what Italic handwriting makes possible. It does not demand that every letter must join or else, and it does not forbid joining altogether. It gives the writer choices, strategic choices.